Alright, picture this. You're sitting in class, doodling on your notes, when suddenly you realize there are literally billions of bacteria hanging out all around you, and most of them are multiplying like crazy. But how exactly do these tiny creatures pull off one of nature's fastest make more of me tricks? Let's crack the code on how bacteria reproduce. Most bacteria don't need a partner or a fancy dating app. Nope, they go solo using a process called binary fission. Imagine you had the power to perfectly clone yourself in just 20 minutes. That's what bacteria do. Here's how it works. The bacterium copies its DNA. Think of it like duplicating your favorite playlist. Then, the cell gets a little longer, starts to pinch in the middle, and snap! It splits into two identical bacteria. No drama, no parental arguments, just two happy clones ready to take on the world. Now, this happens fast. Under the right conditions, one single bacterium can turn into millions in just a day. It's like the ultimate group project, except no one gets left doing all the work. But wait, there's a twist. Sometimes bacteria mix things up by swapping bits of DNA with their neighbors. A little genetic remix known as conjugation. It keeps things interesting and helps them adapt to new challenges like antibiotics. So next time you hear about bacteria, remember, they're not just multiplying, they're mastering the art of survival, one split at a time. Science is wild, isn't it? If you found this fascinating, drop a comment with your favorite science fact, and don't forget to subscribe for more curious discoveries.